Welcome to Decor in Store for You. And today I would like to discuss how I created this DIY vase filler. So I'm going to bring this to the forefront. And it came out very nice and classy. Okay, I love it. So I was trying to find something classy, luxurious, glamorous, to go down in here. And I couldn't find anything. And I almost started to become irritated. And so I was like, okay, right. So I was looking at places like Family Dollar and then the Dollar Tree. Because initially I was going to use cotton. And then, because I was thinking, okay, I could put cotton down here. It might give it like that heavenly cloud look down in there. Then I changed my mind. I just wanted a different look. And then I was thinking, okay, I want like nice balls and then I went, oh, ornaments, right? Because it's Christmas. So we're at November 11th right now. So we're, headed to that season, the Thanksgiving and Christmas season. So everywhere you go, all you see is Thanksgiving and Christmas, decor, right? So let's get into how I got this done. All right. Now, when I was out looking, I didn't really see that the problem was I wasn't seeing what I wanted. I'm like, right? So this is what I did. I went to Hobby Lobby, okay? And I grabbed, so what you see here, this started out as a garland. This was a garland. A beaded garland like this. So I purchased two, okay? And as you can see, it's long. Okay? I got it from Hobby Lobby. I bought it today. This is November 11th, 2024. And they have an awesome sale. This is originally priced $9.99. And I got it half off. Okay? I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, $9.99. Half off, right? So the initial plan was white. I don't know why I was thinking about something white down in here, but I was. So that was the whole point of why I bought this one. But I did a test run. I put these down in there first. And I'll bring this closer. And then once I put it down in there and I stuck the, bouquet through, I was like, okay, it's decent. I'm like, okay, all right. It wasn't hitting like I thought. Then I went, okay, let me try the pink. And then when I tried the pink, the way that I did, I practiced. Okay, so ladies, don't cut it yet. Here's the trick. Just put it down in the vase on the garland. Just whatever you gotta do. Get it, swirl it in there, whatever, some type of like S pattern it in there, or like swirl it around like this in the vase. You see what I'm doing? Don't cut it yet. Right? You see that? Just get it down in the vase like this first. Right? So that is what I did. And then I stuck the bouquet stem right through here. Through it. And so I looked at the white the first time and I was like, okay, right. Like I said, it wasn't really hitting like how I thought it was. It was okay. But then I was really like eyeballing this pink. Because this is almost like it's giving like a rose gold glittery, type situation. So I did the same thing when these pink ornaments was on the beaded string, Then when I stuck the bouquet in, I loved this against the pink ornament. I loved it. And I was like, okay, this the one. I'm gonna use this the one. And I was like, if I put it in here and it look good, I'm keeping it. So I did the content, like, beforehand. All right. I was practicing on another app. I went live on another app to practice to see which one I would like. And so I sat there, and I took some scissors, so cut the tag off, and you cut the top knot, and then you just slide all the beads off, all the ornaments off, put it in a little basket or in a bag, and then you just start filling it up, and that's what I did. All right, so that's a little, tip, trick, or hack if you trying to find like a vase filler and you run into a problem like I did where it just seemed like everywhere I was going, I wasn't liking what I was seeing. So when you run into that, then it's just time to go to places like Michael's, Hobby Lobby, right? Or Joann Fabric, and find this and just cut it and pull them off. All right, so that's the first, DIY project. Okay? Now, I go live on another app, so the whole goal was to have this ambiance here. Okay, I do. I help clients. I love giving spiritual advice, right? And I really love doing it. I could do readings with oracle cards, and I can answer their questions. It's awesome. So that's why you see this shelving. It's a 3-tier shelving unit, and behind this chair, I have all my decks here. So I'm just trying to create a nice ambiance for them whenever I go live. So that's the whole goal. All right. Now I'm gonna show you another bouquet that I did. I'm just grabbing like main bouquets and putting it together. Oh wait, before I go to the next bouquet, let me explain what I did. So like how the look came together. So ever since Columbus Day, this is what I've noticed. Joann Fabric's been holding a hot sale. I mean, they've been having 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70% off, right? So I found the bouquet from Joann Fabrics. And I believe I got it for like 40% off, something like that. And basically I ended up paying like $7 and some change for the whole bouquet. Now, I looked at it and it looked a little skimpy, so I purchased 2 more flowers to make it look fuller. So I purchased these 2. Here we go. I purchased this one and this one, right? So you see, because I wanted to, give it a little bit more pop with that fuchsia pink. So I added these 2 in there, right? And then I got the vase from the Dollar Tree. And the vase looked like it came from Michael's. It's a nicely made glass vase. You all, I love this. And this whole project for this was about, so let's say, that, like I said, the bouquet in and of itself was $7. And I think for the 2 flowers, they were like $2 each. So it's that 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right, and then the vase, that's from the Dollar Tree, right? So $125 plus 11, right? $12.25. And then remember I told y'all, this was $9.99, so half off, right? Yeah. So I paid, right? I did a good job. I paid under $20 for this whole project. And it just looks very beautiful. It is really giving the ambiance and the aesthetic that I'm looking for whenever I go live. I love it. And let me turn this up. Yep. So that's that. Now, let's move on to the second one. Now, here's the second one. In my kitchen, I have yellow, it's like bright yellow placemats. And I've had them for years, and I love them. And bright yellow napkins with fuchsia pink napkin rings. So I needed another, like just something. I was looking for something like harvesty fall, right? That feel since we're in November. And I found this and it's cute. I love this rustic can look, right? And under here they have this little tie. This it's just cute, y'all. And it's the pumpkin here. So let me tell you what I did. So I added, okay, you see the smaller sunflowers? Okay, you see this big, huge one, right? Everywhere where you see the smaller ones, so I added one. Let's see, I added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, all the way around. Okay. Because I wanted this to have more friends, right? And I wanted more yellow to show throughout. So I bought this as is, and this thing was $5 from the Dollar Tree. Because you do realize the Dollar Tree, they came up and they upgraded it where you can go to the $3 and $5 aisle. So this was all $5. And then I found the bouquet. I actually found the little sunflower bouquet. I was done shopping. I was going to my car and I saw them. They were outside. Because I had found another set of flowers that I thought I was going to put in here. But when I seen these, I said, oh yeah. I grabbed it. I said, I'm going to go back in and do an exchange. And it really turned out nice. So this is the centerpiece for my kitchen table. And when it's sitting there, you all alongside the bright yellow placemats, because I have 4 of them, it looks so cute. So again, this was just $6.25, and I got a cute little centerpiece for my kitchen table. All right, y'all, so that was my DIY hacks as far as floral arrangements and vase filling. If you have any questions or comments, please email me. I'm going to try to, in the description box, list, where I got what at. Now, I can't remember the prices on a lot of this stuff, but I'll just put, bouquet, like this one, fuchsia bouquet, Joann's fabric. The 2 add-on fuchsia flowers, Joann fabric. The vase, Dollar Tree. The beads, Hobby Lobby. I'll put it down in the description. And also, I will put where I got this from, which was the Dollar Tree, for everything. All right, so, yep, that was the DIY floral arrangements and vase filler ideas. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you all have a blessed day.